If you're working around the house, chances are you are going to be using a drill. So let's go over some drilling basics and how to pick the right bit for your project. Adding or removing a drill bit means using the chuck, which is what locks your bit into place. Some drills use a chuck key, like this, and some are operated with a twist. Always be sure your bit is seated correctly in the tool and then tighten it down firmly. Of course, eye and ear protection are a must, but there are so many drill bits. How do you choose? Well, in general, a drill bit with a sharper point is for drilling in softer material, while a bit with a flatter angle on the tip will be used for harder materials. For those bits, or in places where you're worried about splitting or cracking the material, you'll first want to drill a pilot hole, which is a small hole that helps guide your bit through. The most common drill bit is a twist drill bit. Standard sets range in size from 1/16 inch to 1/4 inch and are used for general purpose drilling in wood, plastic, and light metal. Odds are you will be using a twist bit for most jobs, anything from hanging pictures to building furniture. For wood drilling, you may want to use a brad point bit. This bit has a point on the end that helps it bore into the wood and it keeps the bit exactly in place. A countersink bit is a special bit for drilling in wood, and it makes an indentation in the wood so that your screw head can go completely flat with the workpiece. If you need a larger hole, you may need a spade bit or paddle bit. This can drill holes up to 1.5 inches in wood. For times when you need a really smooth bore, try a Forstner bit. The center point and bladed teeth help keep your edges smooth and neat. A hole saw is for drilling even larger holes and comes in different varieties for cutting wood, metal, or masonry. You will use these for door hardware and creating pass-through holes for wiring applications. For larger or deeper holes, use a drill with a side handle for more stability. There are also special bits for drilling masonry and tile. These specialty bits are definitely necessary for drilling into those materials and may require the use of a hammer drill. Some of them are diamond coated for the toughest tile materials. There are lots of specialty drill bits for lots of other applications, but for most DIY projects, you're going to use one of these bits. By choosing the right bit size and type for your material, you will be a drilling pro in no time. Leave a comment below on any other topics you want to hear about. Go to Lowes.com for more information. And as always, like, share, and subscribe for more great DIY tips.